How to whiten teeth fast. Everyone wants to know the secret tricks of how to whiten teeth. Bright, yellow-free tusks have been one of the most universally aspirational ideals for ages, and if anyone ever tells you that they're 100% satisfied with their smile, you can bet your ass that they're either lying to you, lying to themselves, or both. The good news is that there are distinct factors that lead to discoloration, and ruling them out early can keep your teeth brilliant for a long time. Most people get to these tricks too late, long after the damage has been done. Get a head start on warding off stains with the follow dentist-approved tips. Read on to learn what products to use, what habits to make, and break, and even DIY methods for how to whiten teeth. 1. Regular dental appointments. Before you go out and buy a pack of white strips or set up an appointment for hyper whitening with your local dentist, make sure everything else is taken care of, health-wise. You want to ascertain that there's no underlying disease before you do a program of whitening, and you also want to make sure you have a thorough cleaning so you can get the best benefits, says dentist Dr. Jean Strathern. In other words, you want to be working with as wide a canvas as you can. And, visit your dentist at least twice a year. 2. Avoid known stain causers. You probably know that coffee and red wine stain teeth, but they're certainly not the only culprits that can leave your teeth looking less than stellar. There are plenty of other foods and drinks that can stain your teeth, including white wine, blueberries, blackberries, pomegranates, soda, barbecue sauce, green tea, black tea, sugary treats, marinara, curry, turmeric, paprika, balsamic vinegar. All of these foods or drinks cause or contribute to extrinsic stains. The good news is that extrinsic stains can usually be removed or at least improved, explains Dr. Strathern. Other stains, permanent ones, are called intrinsic stains, and can be the result of taking antibiotics when your teeth were developing as a kid. Those are much harder to deal with. If you can't imagine giving up your daily coffee or nightly glass of wine, however, just make sure to rinse with water within 30 minutes of consumption. Rinsing with water helps wash away the offending liquid and lessen the likelihood of a stain. Rinsing is better than brushing, because brushing so soon after drinking or eating a stain causer can make a situation worse, since at that point you'll be scrubbing the food or drink's enamel eroding acid right into the teeth. 3. Consume certain foods. There are foods that can actually brighten your teeth, fight stains and improve overall oral health by munching on the following. Apples. Apples improve your gum health and stimulate saliva production, which helps to rinse away stains. Cheese, milk and yogurt. Rich in calcium, all of these help to strengthen teeth enamel and appearance. Nuts, celery, broccoli and carrots. The abrasive and coarse abrasive texture of these foods scrubs off stains. Raw onions. The sulfur found in raw onions stops plaque from forming. Strawberries. The malic acid found in strawberries naturally removes surface stains lurking on your teeth. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel for watching more videos.